Hey there! Today we'll see how to make an 81 LED chaser board. So let's start it. This video is divided into 3 parts: circuit simulation, circuit diagram explained, and final output check. The PCB boards used in these projects are ordered from the jlcpcb.com. PCB boards come in such a box. The color quality of this PCB board is very professional. To order such a good quality PCB board, you have to go to jlcpcb.com. After that, you can see an official page of jlcpcb. Here you have to select Code Now. Now add your Gerber file. From the option Add to your Gerber file. After the Gerber file upload complete, select Color and Quality from here. And then click on Save to Cart. Then click on Checkout securely and give the proper shipping address and complete your order by MasterCard or credit card. So in this project we also need 81-piece rear LED, CD4017 IC 2-piece, 16P IC base 2-piece, NE555 IC 1-piece, 8-pin IC base 1-piece, BC547 transistor 9-piece, 1 microfarad 15V capacitor 1-piece, 330 resistor 2-piece, 10 kΩ resistor 1-piece, 1K resistor 9-piece, 100K variable resistors, and 1N4007 diode 1-piece. Now I will put all the parts on the PCB board. So our simulation is complete. Now is the time to explain the circuit diagram. This is our circuit diagram. In this circuit diagram, I used a plus 5 volt battery and a 194007 diode. There I biased the NE555 IC. Then I connected its pin 1 with the ground and the 2 and 6 connected with the edge of resistors. This is our 10K resistor and this is our variable resistor. I connected pin 8 and pin 4 with positive. There we can see two 4017 IC connected. One 4017 IC has horizontally connected and another one has vertically. Here the VC547 transistors are used vertically. You can also use here 2N2222 transistor. For trigger this transistor, I used here 1 kilo ohm resistor. These are the A to 1 LED connections. I have used a 330 ohm resistor here, but if you have a 3.3K resistor, use it instead of a 330 ohm resistor. So this is our whole circuit diagram. Now we will check the output to see if this circuit is working properly. In this circuit, you have to give power from an electrical source like transformer. We can increase or decrease the charger time of these LEDs by gradually routing this 104 variable resistor in this circuit. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.